Hello everybody, today we'll learn how to print our workbook. Let's start to do some clicks. First thing you need to do is to select here in this corner, left click on this corner, and you can select all your worksheet, and between the columns like here or here, if you double click, your cells will be tidy and organize them to each column by yourself. And now in the page layout, like you see, I have the margins. I can select wherever I would like. I will select normal 1, and the size I want to be A4. I need to select that specific range I want to be printed. I press Ctrl P, and here I have the option to select print selection. I'll press it, and like you see, what I wanted to be printed is on my page. And here I can choose the portrait. It's not so good, then I will choose the landscape orientation. If I want to print only one sheet, like for this example, I need to see the margin is normal, the size is A4. I need to press Ctrl P, and if I press portrait orientation, I have only until 2017, and I want to have all the data here. Depends, you need to choose the portrait if you have only a smaller table or not so much information. But if you have like this, in this case a lot of years, in the right you need to choose landscape orientation, and I'll press print again. If I want only 2 sheets to be printed, I need to press Ctrl and hold. I will press this one, basic financial statement, and after I will press extra data. I'll press Ctrl P, and you can see I have here the first page, the first sheet, and the second one, it's portrait orientation. I need to choose landscape photos. Okay, and I'll press again print. And if I want all my workbook to be printed, I need to click on whatever sheet I would like. I need to select all sheets, and after I'll press Ctrl P. I will select again landscape orientation, because if I put portrait orientation, I don't have all the data in the same page and will be not so good. I will choose landscape, and I can see all my pages are done, and I can press easily print. Thanks guys for watching me, and have an excellent day.